Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the heart of the home, our kitchen. If you are looking to transform your kitchen into a one of a kind space, you are in the right place. We are about to explore some truly unique kitchen design ideas that will inspire your inner chef and interior designer. So let's start our video. Consider bold, vibrant colors cabinet to infuse energy and personality into your kitchen. Think deep blue, rich greens, or even playful orange. An eye-catching, colorful backsplash can instantly become the focal point of your kitchen design. It is great way to experiment with pattern and texture. Replace traditional doors with open slaving to create a visual appealing, accessible storage areas for your dry goods and kitchen essential. Dryer organizer with custom compartments can help you maximize space and keep cutleries and kitchen gadgets neatly organized. Concrete countertops are an edgy and modern choice to add an industrial touch to your kitchen. They are also incredibly durable. Recycled glass tiles for your backsplash are not only eco-friendly but also create a stunning and unique mosaic effect. Lighting can make a big difference in your kitchen design. Oversized pendant lights can serve a both functional lighting and striking design elements that draw the eye upward. LED under cabinet lighting adds a modern touch and eliminates your countertops of both practically and ambiances. A live edge wood kitchen island is a stunning counterpiece that brings a touch of nature into your cooking space. Consider a multifunctional island with built-in appliances, seating, and storage. It can be the heart of your kitchen activity. There you have it 10 unique kitchen design ideas that can transform your cooking space into a truly masterpiece. Remember, the key to a successful kitchen makeover into to infuse your personality and lifestyle needs into the design. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribe for more unique design inspiration right there.